Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Teacher Jessie, you are watching Reliable Roots, and today is another brand contributor video brought to you by Gogokid. So today's video is all about the announcements that Gogokid just released in this week's update, so let's just go through them because some of them you definitely don't want to miss out on. The very first one is another contest that Gogokid is hosting in which teachers have the opportunity to be a part of hundreds of dollars worth of prize money or win a uni doll. So there are two ways to enter this contest. It is all about your halfway review at Gogokid. So you can share a picture on social media or you can share a video on social media. There are two different pools of money. If you share a picture on social media, you have the possibility of being one of the teachers to split a $300 prize pool of money. Or if you share a video, you have the option of being one of the teachers to split $500 worth of prize money. And 2 lucky teachers will be receiving a uni doll. All you have to do is publish your picture or your video onto social media. It can be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube. In your post, you will need to add the hashtag #HalfYearReview and one of the official Gogokid accounts. Also, don't forget to fill out the sign-up form, and all of this is in the description box below for more information. So these videos can be anything about your experience at Gogokid during the year of 2019. They can be a memorable moment with a student, some of the updates that you've enjoyed that Gogokid has rolled out this year, or they can be how Gogokid has helped you out personally in the year of 2019. The second thing on this week's updates is how and what to teach in K-level lessons. This is a live workshop. Be sure to check the link in the description box below for more information about that. And number 3 is also the PowerPoint presentation of a workshop that has already been held on supplementary courses. So if you want more information for that, also again, check the description box below. A big congratulations to the 5 winners of Gogokid's feedback contest. Also, it's summertime in China and a lot of students are requesting 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Beijing time in comparison to the rest of the year. This is a great time to open up your time slots and get more booking. During summer break, a lot of the students are wanting to take English during those times. So go ahead and open those up if you are available. Finally, there are 2 more contests coming up in the month of August. One is a wedding photo contest and the other is a back to school greeting from your Gogokid teachers contest. Don't forget to check your updates for more information about that because you may have the chance to win a t-shirt or a uni doll. Okay guys, that about wraps up this week's updates. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye!